Alright, so I hired a tech professional from Fiverr to make my PC run faster, and you guys are not gonna believe what happened, what this tech guy did to my PC. You will be shocked. So if you guys don't know what Fiverr is an online platform that connects freelancers with clients who needs various digital services. It provides a marketplace where individuals and businesses can buy and sell a wide range of services known as gigs, typically related to creative, professional or technical fields. So in my case, I bought I bought a gig from tech guy to make my PC run faster, to fix my PC. And if you're a freelancer, you can provide your service. If you're into a field, you can sell your service on Fiverr, or if you're a business person, you can buy those services such as designing. If you want your logo to be made, you can hire someone to design your logo, and it all starts just from $5. So if you want to check Fiverr, link is gonna be in the description. Check it out, trust me, it is really worth it. So now let's see how it all started with me and this tech guy fixing my PC. Alright, so it all started from me going to Fiverr and searching PC optimization, since there are like so many tech guys who are claiming that they'll make your PC run faster. As you can see in the search results, there's like FPS boost and whatnot, and I chose the cheapest one that was $10. As you can see right here, there's this one and there's this one. So this one had like 26 stars, so I was like, okay, why not just go there? And then I asked the guy, hey, I play Valorant and I was wondering if I can get more FPS in the game, because obviously everybody wants more FPS. And he says, hey, thanks for writing me, and asked for my PC specs. So I told him I got Ryzen 9 3900X, GTX 1080 and 32 gigs of RAM and 500 gigabytes of SSD. And I just waited for his reply. And also I also told him basically that I get like 200 plus frames already, since I didn't want to get scammed, like, you know, they do something and then, like, you know, tell me later that I'm getting more FPS than before. So I was pretty upfront that I'm getting 200 plus FPS in my 240Hz monitor. And the guy said, I will not promise more FPS, but I'll make sure your PC works on its full potential and you'll get maximum performance out of it. And that was a pretty good answer though, like, you know, you never know what your PC peak performance is. So I got a custom order for $10. And by the way, the currency is Indian rupees, that's my currency. And when I got the order, I filled up all the details, what I need and what are my PC specs. Again, I got Ryzen 9 3900X, and I filled up everything, like, you know, do you have TeamViewer? Yeah. And before we get into the optimization, I had to test the performance of my game. So you see, I started Valorant, I went to the range, and you guys can see right now how much FPS I'm gonna get. And later we're gonna be comparing with the after optimization, if we're gonna get the more FPS or not. So as you can see, I'm getting about 230 270 FPS, and you can see average FPS on top, it's 247, and my current FPS are like 190 180, somewhere around that. So I had to record this so later I can have something to compare with. And at the end I was getting about like 240 frames in front of that portal. So I gave him the access to my TeamViewer, and this is where things went a little weird. He got control of my PC, he literally started Discord on my PC, and I was so confused. I mean, I gave him controls to optimize my PC, not to use my personal apps. And surprisingly, he just added himself and called himself from my Discord, or the other way around, like he called me on my Discord. As you can see, he added himself, and now here's the conversation of me and him that I did live while he was optimizing my PC.
Okay, I think I should record my voice as well. So he sent request to himself, and now he's calling me on Discord. What was that?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hey, I'm good, man. I don't know, I was so confused. I got scared that why are you opening my Discord? That was kind of weird.
Oh, yes.
I can't see my wallpaper, it disappeared for some reason. I don't know.
Yes, actually, while I'm connecting on TeamViewer, it will stay on black. When I disconnect it, it will get back.
Okay, yeah. So like, what now? Okay,
so
task manager.
let's see what's going on here.
Is my PC good? Like I bought this like I don't know off of eBay. It's sort of like
Actually, your motherboard is good. Okay.
uh-huh.
Processor is okay, but you can upgrade your processor on the same motherboard. I mean,
I
you can
can.
just change the processor chip. Yes, you can.
But
And GPU is very old. Not gonna lie,
is it
GPU is very old. Yeah.
like I bought
It,
this from said it's an high-end PC and he said like 12 core processor. I was like okay what the hell? It should be
I
good.
no, you can find 12 cores. Even it doesn't matter if it's 12 core. This speed also depends. The processor variant also depends.
Okay.
So it's like you can find same 12 core processor for $300, and you can find same 12 core processor in $700 and also in $50.
Okay.
So it's not always about cores. Everything matters. Cores, clock, but processor generation as well. This one is I mean 3000 series, and there is 5000 series and 7000 series as well.
So I'm like
So
2 generation behind.
yep. So
Oh god,
like the
that
next
sounds bad.
generation, like 5000 series. Yeah. So
It still
that's
works, so I
coming
can
with
I play games on like I don't know 120 frames. It
no.
works.
This CPU is like this CPU is like a monster. No, back in days that was a beast, but for 2023 is getting old. So you have HyperX headphones.
No, I have keyboard and mouse, so don't disable that. Thank you. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. I have Astro A50 though. I use Astro A50 headphones. Those are good.
Nice. Let me check if there is any update.
I don't know. There's gotta be. I don't know.
So how old are you?
And this is where we were having some personal conversation, and he was trying to update my Windows, and I told him not to update my Windows PC because I don't know, I had some security features that I didn't want to mess up, since when you give your access to your PC to a random stranger, do not let them update or do anything strange with the Windows. And then later he just disabled some things, and I was recording and I knew what he was doing. It wasn't something bad. He was just trying to disable some auto start apps and some features that are working on the background that are not useful while gaming. So I was like okay. And later on he also disabled some theme features, like he disabled the transparency of my PC, and I was like why would you do that? And he said it takes some processing power. And yeah, later I activated as well, like I enabled it because I want the transparency. And I was like okay, let's see what he's doing to see how fast the PC gonna go. And this is where things went south. He opened the command terminal and I was like okay, why the hell does anyone need to open the command? So obviously I had to ask him, and here you will hear me asking him what he's doing.
What is this
That's
W
good.
search?
It's when we do search anything here,
Uh huh.
instantly start doing search and all the stuff. It's just a feature running in background. Disabling it, we don't use it, like we don't have to run it all the time. So it will only work when you type something and press enter. It will work.
Okay.
Same goes here. It might show like search index is off.
Alright,
So
alright.
don't worry about that. Disable, active.
Oh, I delete
But yeah,
these files
just
sometimes, like temporary files.
yep, that's cool.
There's like percent. No. There's the other one. Yeah, this one. 10%. This one. These are bad. Okay.
Takes your space as well. So
I don't have. I have like 500 gigs SSD.
that's fine. But yeah, just do one thing in future. Just upgrade your GPU, and trust me, you will love it.
I don't know. I was thinking getting AMD because RTX is
No, no, no,
expensive.
no, 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 no.
Like 6700
But
AMD.
nope, nope,
Why not?
nope. No AMD, no AMD.
Alright, so he got a few things right, that my GPU is really old. I'm using GTX 1080 and he told me to upgrade my GPU. That was a good advice because I'm planning to upgrade the GPU once I get the money. So anyway, some things he told me were really important for the PC, just like this here. You can see my base clock of my GPU.
We do have a problem.
What is that?
Or 1 second.
Is it's showing?
No, it's making problem. We have to redo the drivers.
Why?
Can you see this base clock speed?
Uh-huh.
It should be on 1600. Almost, I mean, not 1600, but not on 800. It's very low. So GPU is messing up.
And the boost clock should be...
Yeah, it should be almost same, maybe like 100 plus compared to base clock. But
So we can just
it is
do the
very
thing
low.
that we can increase the base clock, right?
No. If we do it from here, it's basically not stable. It have to be stable all the time. So it is a driver problem. So can you see it's going up and down? And 1 second, let me show you something.
Okay.
For example, if we do...
So this is where something good happened. So my GPU was not working properly and he downloaded GPU-Z and told me that my GPU is not running on its maximum potential speed, and he kind of fixed it. He did some settings on the NVIDIA control panel. I don't know what he did, but after all these settings, my GPU was back on its rated base speed and I was kind of happy about it. So far so good. And later he checked my motherboard and wanted me to update the BIOS. So for the BIOS, he called me on Discord. Like, I was on Discord, but he did the video call and walked me through the process, how to update the BIOS, and he was actually talking really good stuff. So after updating the BIOS, after doing all of the settings, here we are now. I'll show you what are the performance gain I got for the games. So you can see I'll put side-by-side comparison as well. And before I was getting about 230 FPS, and average I was getting I don't know, somewhere around that. So let's see how much frames are we gonna be getting. I mean, I already know I'm doing a voice over here. So I did the same process. I started the range in Valorant and did the same thing that I was doing before the optimization. So you can see side by side I was getting somewhere around little bit more average FPS, but the current FPS were pretty similar. I didn't get any FPS boost, but yeah, I did got some 10 frames, let's say, more in specific scenarios, but my PC got a lot faster. It was literally snappier than before. When I was clicking, when I was booting my PC, everything was faster than before. So yeah, he kind of did something on my PC to make it faster, but the gaming performance were let's say 5% increase. That's all. It ain't much, but it's something. So should you do this for your PC from Fiverr? I would say yeah, to get rid of all of the stuff that you don't need. Let's say so many files that takes up space. And if you want to make your PC a little bit faster, you should hire someone from Fiverr to make your PC a little bit faster, or else you can do it by yourself if you know all of the things. But for me, I didn't know anything about the GPU problem and I had it and I got it fixed by this tech guy from Fiverr. So yeah, this is the video. I hired someone from Fiverr to make my PC faster and it kind of worked. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.